Rona had an accident. She broke her shoe, so now we have to go find new shoe for Rona. And she's so upset with me. Just doing a little adventure. We're at SM City in the North Reclamation area. We're in security now. Rona, say hello. We're going to go explore something to do. J.Co donut, so good, there's always a queue. Hello. His eyes. Wow. Oh, look at Rona. We're just taking our lunch in SM. Just ribs and rice. And look how much rice she has. Oh my god. Look how much rice I have. Just a little bit. But my god. Eh? 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 And?
I want to eat.
So what's the name of this place?
Rib shop. Rib shop.
Rib Shack in SM. We're just at Sta Nino Church. In there is Magellan's cross. Over here is City Hall. And this is downtown Cebu. And Rona looking very pretty to go into the church. And me, I'm just like a bum. This is just behind the City Hall. Some of the best buildings in Cebu are in this area. Some really nice architecture. We're walking up, heading into Carbon Market and see what's open. Look for maybe something nice and cheap. This is the new Carbon Market being built. A few levels. Supposed to look like that. market is like that. Yes, we're here late in the day, so everything's just about closed. Rona had an accident, she broke her shoe, so now we have to go find new shoe for Rona. And she's so upset with me. And now Rona's wearing slippers. She's not happy because she's wearing a dress and has to wear slippers now.
I'm not happy.
And I'm carrying her chukka shoes.
Wearing dress and slippers. First time.
Well, we were going to go into Sta Nino Church, but for some reason so late, there is an absolute huge line going right back. Look at that. So we might go in there another time. For now, we might just take a visit to Magellan's Cross. So this is a monument that was built to house the cross Magellan planted here. This was destroyed by earthquake a few years back. Really damaged. It took them a long time. They protected the cross. But I'm going to say something that a lot of Filipinos won't be happy about. That there is a fair chance that the cross is not inside there, but in the basement of City Hall. You see the artwork in here is absolutely unbelievable. And if you can't read what it says this cross of Tindalo wood encases the original cross planted by Ferdinand Magellan on this very site, April 21, 1521. You see a lot of worshippers throw their candles in here. They don't light them, obviously, they just throw them in on the floor. Rona, it was a waste of time, wasn't it? There was way too many people waiting to get in the church, twice as many as on the other side of Magellan's Cross. Carbon market was closed by 3 p.m, so we couldn't wander around there. Rona breaks a shoe, so that delays things even more. And we wandered down to Plaza Independencia, and you can't access that. And that's where the fort is, the old Spanish fort. So it was a bit of a bust, but it doesn't matter. We spent time together, and that's all that matters. And now Rona's tired and falling off the bed. Oh, that's going to make a great video. Comment on Rona falling off the bed because that was hilarious. Back again, waiting to get our second dose of Pfizer. There seems to be a lot of people here for the second dose. Probably 4 or 5 times as many as here for the first dose. So I'm surprised. They must have booked everybody for the second dose on the same day. Done number 2 for both. Food time. Rona getting her pork. Rona. Really nice, these pancakes. It's always at the front of the market. Anyone for some ice?
Thank you po, thank you po.
I'm going to cook adobo fried rice, the most requested by Upaw.
Happy po, sir, na pagkakataon na po sa resto, sir.
Ay, why is go rin? Ay, di ba? Ay, ma.